We have the artillery shell kit from Alamo Fireworks, listed in a poly bag. The effects are listed on the back for red peony, green peony, yellow peony, white, blue, and color. Let's see what's inside. Alright, inside we have cardboard tube, the plastic base, shells. They don't give when they're squeezed. They're not labeled, but they are color-coded. There's a blue and a yellow, black, white, red, and green. See if they have anything to do with the effects. Let's check them out. Alamo artillery shells.